I'm just gonna use the head of the ratchet to get the big claw from the transmission. I'm gonna use the number 12 socket over here to get the 2 bolts, and just be careful when you remove the bolts because it has the 2 springs, and inside of those springs that it's small metal bolts in there, so just be careful, you have to pull them out. All these bolts are same thing, 12, and then you just have to go all the way around it so you can get them off, and don't worry about the size because they all the same size. Just do all the way around. Sounds like the compressor don't have that too much juice in there, but I just have an electric motor on it, so it won't raise that much. It goes around 140, I think, or something like that. It's just nice size. This bolt is 15, and then this is the one hold the reverse in place, so don't forget to get them off. Here's where you use the nose pliers, and there is a C-clamp in there, so you just have to open it up all the way, and then you use the flat screwdriver to press the case little, make a pressure to the up position, so you can release that clamp and you can pop the whole C out of there. Just remember the C clamp should stay in the case where the hole is, so don't worry about it.